Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be making tuna paste, salad, spread, whatever you want to call it. Stay tuned. I'm going to be using chunk tuna in water. They usually come in oil or water. You get them flake or chunk. I find chunk in water is best for this recipe. And I went ahead and drained it. Now I'm just going to be flaking it, going in with some chopped onion. You can use whatever herbs you want, guys. I'm going in with some bell peppers here and cucumber extra crunch, and it's delicious. I'm going in with some parsley. You can use cilantro. I have some chives here, some hot scotch bonnet pepper. You can use pepper sauce or you can omit the pepper altogether. I have some mustard here. I have some mayonnaise. You can use Greek yogurt instead. Have vinegar. You can use lime or lemon juice. And cream cheese. You should know by now I love me some cream cheese. Yes, I do. I got black pepper. You need the black pepper for extra kick. Just give that a good mix. And then I'm going to put this on the fridge to chill for a little bit. You want to serve this chill. It tastes way better. This is ready to serve. You can add celery to this if you fancy. You can slap this between sub with lettuce and tomatoes on toast. I enjoy mine with crackers. Tuna is an excellent protein source. It is high in vitamin B3, B12, potassium, and phosphorus. It is also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. You can store this in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. And yes, you can store this in the freezer in an airtight container. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.